Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Gaurav. Good afternoon, Saili. Come on, camera.
Ma'am, it's raining in Powai since morning. There's a lot of network issue. I'm just changing networks. I'll just try to come on camera in a while.
Yeah. Yeah, it's raining since morning.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Anshika. Bhairavi, Deepika, good afternoon. Sakshi, Vidhi, सब लोग कैमरा पे आ जाओ.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Prabhamid, good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Ma'am, 2 minutes, I'll be on time.
Yes. Rajvi. So I have not received messages from everybody about their attendance. Huh? Rajvi, can you come on camera? Rajvi, is your what is your attendance? Were you there in class earlier? Ever? Who is Rajvi? Vihang, Anuj, please come on camera.
Yes, ma'am.
Himanshu.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Is it fine if I turn off my camera? I'm not well. Thank you, ma'am.
हिमांशु, अनुभव, सुधांशु, सब लोग कैमरा पे आ जाओ प्लीज. ओके, डिबेट में किसका नाम बाकी है अभी? Who has not participated in debate? Please let me know because we will start with one debate and then we'll move on to something else. In debate we have done. Just a second. And in SWOT, who is still left? Sushant, Anshika, Akriti, Megha, Prarthana. These are the people who have done their SWOT in class. Dharmit, Prabhamit, Apurba, Saili, Kinnari, Gitansh, Vihang, Saksham, Nisha, Yesha, Sakshi, Gaurav, Rajiv, Akanksha, Virender, Sudhanshu, Akhil, Abhinash, Pallav, Harsh, Rutuja, Dhanashri, Shivam, Pratik, Vidhi, Alok, Mausam, Anuj, Bhairavi, Gamini and Deepika. इसके अलावा जिसका नाम नहीं आया, please let me know whose name has not yet been called out. Gaurav, you're done. Sudhanshu?
Yes, ma'am. My SWOT I think is done.
Sudhanshu, your SWOT is done. Unmute yourself. Himanshu?
Yes, ma'am.
Himanshu, can you come on camera, please? Yeah, Himanshu. Would you like to go for your SWOT? Strength.
Ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, my name is not there.
You have done, but your name is not there.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let me add your name. Everybody check on Quick Force. Your name should reflect here. If you have already done, please let me know if your name is not reflected. Himanshu. Himanshu added your name. Okay. Sudhanshu, I don't see your name. Is your name there? You'll have to unmute yourself, Sudhanshu. Can't hear you.
Ma'am, you took my name now, Sudhanshu.
Yes.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
took your name, yeah? Okay. You already done?
SWOT analysis
Yes.
have done.
Okay. Anybody who is not yet done, please nominate yourself.
Ma'am, I have not done mine.
Okay. Matthew, can you talk about your one strength and give an example of it also?
Hello, ma'am. Sorry to interrupt.
Yes.
Alok here. I just messaged you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay,
Is it
but
okay,
then
ma'am?
afterwards, from next class, I would like to see you on camera. Okay.
Yes, yes, ma'am. Sure, sure. Yes. Thank you.
Yes, Matthew. You'll.
Okay,
sorry,
ma'am.
Matthew.
No problem, Alok. No worries. One strength that I personally think I have is I am able to listen to people well, and I'm able to listen to problems in specific, and I'm able to give solutions to them. So based on the problem, I'm able to give a solution, or if somebody is facing a particular issue with something, I'm able to help them with that. I consider that as a strength of mine.
Can you give an example to substantiate that? Like what something that you did recently or in near past?
Example could be, I mean, nothing in particular comes to mind right now, but like I have spoken to friends and family in the past. I can't really remember any particular events right now. Nothing of late. But whatever it is, I'm able to give them advice, logical advice, what I think is right, what I think is wrong, based on what the situation is.
Okay. Fair enough. Think about some example to substantiate it, you know, because that is what exactly helps us to have a better perspective of our own self, a more strong perspective. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, Matthew. Anybody else?
Yes, ma'am. It's me, Astha.
Astha,
I
yes.
haven't done my SWOT yet. Yes, ma'am.
Please go ahead.
Ma'am, my strength is my collaborative nature towards any group project or anything, or my honesty. For example, as sorry, I always prefer to work in groups, and that's one of my strongest attributes. I work well. I try to cooperate with everyone. So yeah, I try to help everyone.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
No problem. You can speak later also. You're not able to speak, you can speak later also. No worries.
Thank you, ma'am.
Anybody else is left yet? Anubhav, Mausam. Mausam ka naam I had taken. Anubhav? Are you
Yes,
there?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Your name is not there, I think, in the list, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you go next with your strength?
So, ma'am. So, my strength is that I'm a rapid learner, and I'm now learning Excel, which is my favorite subject. So, I am learning it till now, and the other one is like I'm like socialized person. Like I love to do party and like interact with people. So it is my strength that I can communicate with anyone easily. Yes, that's my strength.
Okay. Okay. So your first one, yes, you gave an example also that you are a fast learner and you're currently learning something new, which is
Yes, ma'am.
right. It's a favorite subject.
Yes, ma'am.
Fair enough. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
स्ट्रेंथ के बारे में देखो, I don't think 1 minute भी खत्म हो रहा है सबका. Let me ask somebody to keep time. Virender, can you keep time? 2 मिनट से ज्यादा कोई बोले तो बता दो, वरना just tell us like how much time they took, है ना? Thank you. Shivam, have you done your SWOT?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
You did? Okay. Saksham also? Akhil?
Yes, ma'am.
You did your strength?
Yeah, I done this one.
You've done, no? Your name is there, okay.
Yes, yes.
Anybody else who is left yet? Bhairavi, have you? Okay.
Yes, done.
Ujjwal, are you there? Ujjwal, Vidhi, Pranali, are you there? Pranali, you have not done your strength.
There are two Pranalis.
Sorry, the two Pranali. Pranali K. Pranali,
Yes, ma'am.
Pranali B. Both have not done वैसे. So one by one you can just talk about your strength. See, जिन लोगों को मैं नाम बुला के नाम लिख रही हूँ ना, strength में उन लोगों को marks बहुत कम मिलने वाले हैं, because here I expect you to volunteer yourself. This is an exercise for everybody. मैं शुरू से बोला है that you get your marks on this. पर जो सामने से जो लोग नहीं किए, they are also not accommodating yourself. And I'm doing it so at least मैं आपको कुछ marks दे सकूँ प्रणाली. अगर आपको 0 चाहिए तो आप मत बोलो हाँ कुछ भी.
Hello, ma'am. Vidhi this side. I have given my SWOT.
हाँ ठीक है. I'm talking about those people who have not, their name भी नहीं है वहाँ पे. See what is the list? वहाँ पे सिर्फ 40 लोगों का नाम है. 40 people till now. And I have told this repeatedly that you need to feature here. आपका नाम होना चाहिए. I'm giving you chances again also. You've been absent in class. That is why आपका नाम नहीं है उधर. You've not volunteer yourself. That is why your name is not there. उसके साथ भी there are so many people जिनको I see here, जिनको मुझे नाम चुन के बताना पड़ रहा है कि आपका नहीं है SWOT. Should I give marks to myself only? फिर आप देती हूँ ना मैं. आप बहुत अच्छा strength अगर बताओगे तो भी I'll give marks to myself. Because it seems I am the one who is worried about it. Yeah?
Sorry, ma'am.
Yeah, so Pranali, will you go for your strength next?
Yes, ma'am.
And I'm telling last time again for those people who are in class, जो नहीं है, जो absent है, I don't know whether they really want their marks or not. But जिन लोग का नाम नहीं है उधर, if you don't see your name in that list, if you're not spoken about your strength in class, now is the time. Please nominate yourself and speak out. This is also an evaluation component, which I have maintained from the beginning. Yes, Pranali, please go ahead.
So my strength is my adjusting nature. I adjust with people. I don't complain much. And
give me some example of that, please.
If I am going somewhere or going out, I'll adjust with the situation. I'll not make tantrums like I don't want to do this or I want to do this my way. Whatever my group will say, I'll say, okay, we can do this.
Yeah, some specific example. Can you talk about like recently something happened where you adjusted yourself well? Not in general, but a specific example.
While we were going for some outing, my with my friends, so all wanted to eat Chinese and I wanted to eat something different, but I adjusted with them, so it was like okay.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it.
That's it. Okay, come on camera, Pranali.
Ma'am, I'm having network issue. It is all rainy or cloudy.
Okay. Who else wants to nominate themselves?
Ma'am,
Ishan?
yes, ma'am. So my strength is honest. I'm very honest. In mid semester, my teacher gave me mistakenly gave me more marks. So I draw attention to her that I should to correct my marks.
Okay, awesome. Okay. Okay, so being honest and remaining fair is what you say your strength is. Okay.
Yes.
कितना seconds हुआ वीरेंद्र?
And Jishan ka 22 seconds and Pranali ka 1 minute and 10 seconds.
See, खुद की strength तो के पास शब्द ही नहीं होते. And when you have to, when I ask you कि आपका areas of improvement बताओ तो 5 मिनट तक आप लोग बोलते रहोगे. जिशान, done? कुछ और बोलोगे? 20 seconds only. Yeah. Okay. Anybody else? I'm asking last time now.
Ma'am, can I go next? Amruta here.
Please go ahead.
Okay, ma'am. According to me, open mind is also required strength. I have that strength because we are doing presentations with our teammates or something. That it will always help because we are observe all ideas. Or we it will help to improve your listening skill also. So according to me, open mind is also required strength that every employee should have, and I think I have that skill. So that's it. Thank you.
Okay. Any example?
Ma'am, like we are doing presentations, so it will help that everyone gives their ideas, everyone that have their own opinions about everything. So it will help to do the work very easily.
Help is fine. कैसा होना चाहिए तो it will help. But I'm asking specifically, ऐसा कोई situation में you use this quality of yours कि भाई ये इसका presentation था and because I was open minded ऐसा चीज हुआ जिसको मैं अच्छे से handle कर सकी.
नॉट एवरी टाइम बट जैसे अगर हम लोग प्रेजेंटेशन कर रहे हैं तो बहुत बार ऐसे होता है कि हम लोगों का टाइम मैच नहीं होता, किसी को अभी टाइम नहीं है, किसी को अभी टाइम है, तो हम लोग ओपन माइंडली अगर सुनते हैं कि चलो ठीक है सबको अब टाइम है तो मिलके बैठ के कर सकते, तो इट विल हेल्प.
So you mean to say being adaptive again and being flexible in your attitude and approach. Yeah. So see, when you give examples, it's also easier to understand what you're saying.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah.
No, because something is in your mind, open-minded. ऐसा भी बोल सकते हो, open-minded मतलब about certain beliefs and things. Instead of what you are trying to focus more on is the adaptability that you consider everybody else's situation.
Else's problem. Yeah.
कितना seconds हुआ अभी ये वीरेंद्र? 1 minute से कम होगा.
1 minute 8 seconds. मैंने आप हाँ.
Okay.
Can I go next?
Yes, yes. Who is that?
Rajvi.
राजवी, एक तो पहले बताओ आपका अटेंडेंस कितना है?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I've not
Let me
checked.
tell you. हाँ तो I'll check for you. Wait. Rajvi, no? So, 2. Just a second. Huh? Thank you. Rajvi, your attendance is up till now जितना sessions हुआ है, total 13 sessions है. उसमें से 3 sessions you were present only. Any specific reason for that?
Ma'am, last month I was traveling.
So you are allowed to bunk sessions?
No, there was a lot. Like I was traveling and like there was a lot of network issue. I tried to join, but I was, getting kicked out of the sessions because of internet issues.
So you know the attendance policy at IPS, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So we when you are studying in classroom, तो वहाँ तो भी आप attendance देना है, तो you will ensure कि आपका attendance होता है, right? You ensure that you attend sessions, but here you think that if I'm traveling, then I can be allowed. I mean, traveling 1 or 2, 3 sessions is fine, but this is 10 sessions out of 13. You are not there. You have decided to give like a miss to the sessions, and during these days, by the way, were you attending other subjects?
I tried logging in, but I don't know. Like I'm not sure that whether I was able
Can
to.
you do me a favor, please, Rajvi? You just send me a message, because I think I've put this message to everybody time and again. That put me a personal message that what is your total attendance in general? आपके records से निकालिए and tell me what is your overall attendance in general at IBS. Including all subjects and also your attendance ka percentage in in PE.
Ma'am.
Yes. So yes,
Ma'am,
now yes, Sudhanshu.
Ma'am, I'm checking my attendance, but I've only missed 4 lectures because last Wednesday I actually had a placement team work, so I couldn't join. Previously I was traveling, so I couldn't join. I just missed the 4 lectures now. Here
So
it's showing 5 lectures.
Yeah, so that you will have to check with the coordinator, because see, I get data from the coordinator. Zoom का जो data मिलता है ना, मैं उसी पे से I put presence. So they consider 45 minutes अगर आपका एक session में है ना, तो भी
Ma'am,
consider करते हैं.
I just missed 4 lectures because I have reason for it. But
check ना, whatever date you have a confusion with ना, उसको date को लेके email करो coordinator.
Ma'am, same. I have attended 6 to 7 lectures, but it is showing only 4 lectures.
So just check wherever, whatever dates you are confused, you think that I had attended, but it shows negative. Mostly why it will show negative is because if your number of minutes is less than 45 minutes per session. So for you, you may think that I was there. But आप अगर 45, 42 minutes के लिए थे, तो they will not give you present. 45 minutes minimum चाहिए एक session में. वो भी I think it is actually
50 minutes I think.
हाँ 45-50 मिनट जो है उतना आपको प्रेजेंट होना पड़ेगा तो प्रेजेंट मिलेगा. ऐसा नहीं कि 10 मिनट में सेशन में आ जाओ तो मुझे प्रेजेंट मिले, राइट. सो वो एक रूल है. तो यू कैन चेक. अगर आपको इफ यू स्टिल फील कि नो, हो सकता है गलतियां भी होती है उनसे, मिस्टेक्स भी होगा, तो यू मे वांट टू जस्ट राइट एन ईमेल. तो वो चेक करके दे विल कम बैक टू यू एंड आई विल दैट उधर से मुझे आएगा तो ही आई कैन अपडेट.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
So check that, and Sudhanshu, you also can do that. Anybody has a doubt on that, just check the date जो भी है and write an email to the coordinator that I think I had attended for more than 45 minutes, but it shows absence. ठीक है? Okay, Rajvi, please go ahead and do remember to send me the message, huh?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I even have a doubt that what if, like, you know, there is network issue, you know, like you're trying to join, but you get kicked out of the session again and again. So will you get the attendance or not? No.
Because the network is something we need to provide. ना network issue से कभी कभार if I am attending 10 sessions, उसमें से 2 sessions मेरा network की वजह से नहीं हो पाया. Understandable. But if you say I don't have network, so that is why I will keep trying, but I will not be able to attend. तो आपको attendance कैसे मिलेगा? Can't, no? Because you are the important part is attending the sessions. And if you can't attend the sessions, then how are you contributing to the program?
ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, actually it's raining. There is a fiber cut in Nerul. So I am on my mobile data, but I don't know how much is gonna last. So accordingly, sir.
So
I'll be on camera, ma'am, no problem. But I don't know how much it's gonna last.
No problem. Once in a while, if you have any problem, I don't think I have told anybody कि एक बार में कभी कुछ challenge है तो it is a problem. I'm talking about places जहाँ पे आपका 13 session में से आपने 3 sessions ही attend करे, 10 sessions आपने attend नहीं करे. So I am more concerned about those students because उसमें भी I am considering that I will not have anything to mark you. You know, this subject में कोई exam external कोई exam नहीं है आपका. What you attend in class, what you do in class is only thing I have to mark you. So if you don't attend, then I don't have anything to mark you. If I meet Rajvi only 3 times and I see her interacting, even if she interacts 3 times, how am I supposed to mark you, Rajvi? That is the reason why I am even telling you about this.
Yes, ma'am, I understand.
Concern from that perspective. Otherwise, once in a while, you don't have to worry. You don't have to worry. Anybody has to worry. Just put me a message. Many of you have written to me also regularly. तो कभी कुछ एक आध बार प्रॉब्लम है तो आप मुझे मैसेज करो. Not a problem at all. Okay. Yes, please, Rajvi, go ahead with your strength. You have to talk about a strength of yours and an example for it.
Yes, ma'am. So I feel that for strength that I feel that I'm an extrovert. Example is that I have realized this when I was in my undergrad college. Like you know, whenever like we had to you know, like interact with someone or communicate with someone, I used to put myself up for it first. And then I feel that you know, whenever there were any class activities where, you know, you had to come on the stage, like public speaking, like you had to come on the stage and you had to talk, I felt that I could do that. So I consider that I have that strength in me, that I am extrovert, and like I was never afraid of, you know, communicating with new people.
Okay, can you give an example, recent example where you exhibited this strength?
After coming to IBS, I have coordinated with new people. I have not, you know, I have not had that fear in me that will people judge me or not? What should I do? Should I talk to them or not? Like I used to just feel that no, I am talking, whatever I'm doing is right on my part. I had that confidence in me. Then secondly, I feel that I am very persuasive. Like I had last year in COVID, I'd even done this internship of telecalling, and I had got good reviews from my manager that he felt that I was very persuasive while selling the product. And yes, even one of my friends tell that I am very persuasive. Like I am very determined on the point which I say, and I can explain it. And I feel that I can get what I want if I persuade someone clearly.
Yeah, good.
And
Don't use your persuasive skills in persuading us to give you attendance.
I'll try my best. I'll try my best.
No, well, use where they are actually supposed to be used. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah. Then I feel that I have confidence in me. Like suppose if I put forth my point, so I feel that I'm very confident towards it, and I don't like give up on it easily. Like I feel that I'm very determined on what I speak and what I am very determined on my beliefs and my ethics. And
okay. Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's it.
Done?
Yeah.
So good. See, this is amount of time. I think that was good enough time, and I think even you could speak further also. Virendra, how much time did she spend?
Ma'am, 1 minute and 27 seconds.
Yeah, that's also less. But fair enough. I think what you spoke is you were able to continually speak and enumerate your strength.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, Raji. Anybody else would like to go next?
Yes, ma'am. I would like to.
B?
Bhalgat.
Pranali B, if I write B, it's okay, right?
Yes, ma'am. Should I start?
Start.
Yes, ma'am. So I feel that my biggest strength that I've developed after entering into IPS would be patience, because I have done like many group assignments up till now, and I've seen like people work, and I realize that not everybody will put in same amount of effort that as like you do. And you have to like somewhere address that part, like you just can't like have a fight with them and tell them that you're not doing it right, or you're not, like you just have to deal with it sometimes. So I think patience is the biggest strength that I've developed.
Okay, can you give a specific example?
Yes, ma'am. Recently only there was one group assignment given to us and we had to do it. And then I realized that not many of my friends are putting same amount of effort. So I just like had a fight with them, and then everything went down.
Yeah. So, okay. So finally, what is it like? How did you use your patience to kind of make?
So, ma'am, now every time I get any new group assignment, I just prepare myself that okay, if nobody is gonna contribute, you have to like understand that you have to talk to them very patiently and like a mature person.
Nice. Yeah, that's a very good attitude, Pranali, because this is going to happen not only in college, it's going to happen at office also.
Yes, ma'am.
That experience definitely will help you a lot, because everybody has the right to do the wrong.
Exactly, ma'am.
Yeah, that is the reality of life.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Pranali B. Then anybody else?
Ma'am, 1 minute, 12 seconds.
1 minute, 12 seconds. Thank you, Virendra. Anybody else who would like to go? Nimit?
Hello, ma'am.
Ujwala?
Yes, ma'am.
What's your name? Ujwala.
Ujwal.
Okay.
Okay, can I start?
Sure.
Yeah, okay. One of my strengths is that self-management, that I can easily arrange my own tasks, and I can do my own tasks without anyone else telling me what to do. Like, for example, recently we shifted to Mumbai, right? and my flatmates were coming a day later or two, so I did my own task. I arranged my own stuff. I did all the work on my own. I didn't wait for them to come and arrange and help me arrange my stuffs. And lastly, I am taking initiative, like in assignments. I see there are people who don't work, and there are people, there are different kind of people in a group. So yeah, if someone is not doing the assignment in my group, I usually take the initiative. Yes, I can do it. It's a group assignment, and if you are not doing it, I'm doing it, because the marks matters. Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
Okay, any specific example? Recently something happened also?
Yeah, recently we have a CC of economics right now. Yeah, all of our group members are working, but yeah, when it comes to making PPT and when it comes to making PPT and when it comes to searching all the matter, there are some people who don't work, and then I take the initiative. Me and some of my group members take the initiative. Like we will do it.
Okay, so that is one thing I would want to discuss also later, that how do you, like, in this team dynamics, like how does it help, like doing work for others?
Yes, ma'am.
One thing, but yes, what you're trying to say is I manage the situation whenever I come up.
Yeah, I take initiative that I'll make. If you are not making that, okay, fine, I'll make.
Okay, now a difficult question, Ujjwal. You were not there for you were there for only 2 sessions out of 13 sessions till now.
Yes, ma'am. I have a low attendance, very low attendance in PM.
Yeah. That have you been attending other sessions, other subject sessions throughout?
No. I have a very low attendance in this semester. I know I have to attend all the sessions because mid-sem are coming and I have to study.
So please send me a personal message with 2 things. One is your overall attendance in all the sessions, and your percentage of in PEM. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Some of you, I will see this kind of disparity, where I don't see, you see 2 to 3 sessions out of 13, 15 sessions. Then
Yes,
I'm in some CECs, I will have to put 0 for you, because participating in class is an important aspect.
Yes, ma'am. I totally understand.
I put 0 for some of you, because that is what you do, you bear the consequences of it. That is an important learning lesson. There are people who are attending regularly every time, participating, and the marks are for them. So
Yes.
there are reasons for some people, they are not able to attend and all, and that is fine once in a while. But if it's such a big period and like it's just because of there is no reason for it, it will be difficult for me to give marks to you. That you please everybody be careful
Yes,
about.
ma'am. I'll make sure that won't happen again.
I've not released the marks yet, but there would be some people whose attendance is this bad, and I may have to put 0s also. Okay, so
yes, ma'am.
That who have attendance, who have low attendance. Okay. Anybody who is left next?
Yes, ma'am. Siddesh over here.
Siddesh, yes. Siddesh, please go
Yes,
next.
ma'am. So one of my biggest strengths is that I help a lot of people. Yes. So during lockdown, actually I'm a cyclist. I do a lot of cycling. Yeah, I'm a cyclist. So after lockdown, me and my cyclist friends, we partnered with a lot of medical shops.
Your voice is, it's kind of echoing or something. Not able to hear. Is it me or is everybody not able to hear him clearly?
It's with me also. He have problem by his end.
Echoing that we are not able to make sense of what you're speaking, Siddesh. You bring your mouthpiece near you if you're using
Okay,
earphone.
I'll join in with a different device then. I'll log in with a different device.
Okay, it's better now, but it's still echoing. But just try speaking
Yes.
now. Till he joins from another device, anybody wants to go ahead?
Ma'am, I want to.
Who's that?
Nimit.
Nimit, yes, please go ahead.
Ma'am, thinking is my strength, ma'am. Recently, ma'am, actually, ma'am, when I'm sitting alone, I I think about the things like before some day only, ma'am, thinking helps me. Like मैम एक डील हुई थी मैम बिजनेस की, पापा थे और उनके एक पार्टनर थे, तो मैम मैं सोच रहा था बैठे बैठे, तो मैम तो बहुत सी चीजें थी जो मैम हमको पार्टनर ने बताई नहीं थी पहले से डील के बारे में। तो मैम मैंने पापा को कंसल्ट किया, मैंने पापा ऐसा ऐसा है, अपन को जब उसने कुछ कुछ पार्ट्स बताए हैं, पर जब मैं उसके बारे में सोच रहा था तो रिसर्च करा तो बहुत चीजें थी जो अपन को उसने बताई नहीं, अपन को इससे बहुत प्रॉब्लम होगी बाद में। मैम जब पापा ने भी सोचा तो मैम उस मतलब मेरा पॉइंट सही था, पापा ने मुझे अप्रिशिएट भी किया उसके लिए, तो मेरी वो स्ट्रेंथ है। और मैम सेकंड इज आई एम अ कॉन्फिडेंट पर्सन मैम, दैट आई नो दैट आई एम राइट। सो मैम मेरे को कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता मतलब कौन क्या सोचेगा मैम, मतलब मेरा पॉइंट है मैम, मैं सबसे पहले उसी को रखता हूँ, क्योंकि दैट बिकॉज आई नो दैट आई एम कॉन्फिडेंट about my plan. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Good enough, Rato, Nimit. But everybody, please like be on camera if you can. मतलब जितने भी लोग अभी बोल रहे हैं, they are not on camera. Please be on camera because in this subject again being on camera is part of it. So stay on camera. Nimit, I like your point. What you mean to say is I think logically and analyze anything well.
Yes, ma'am.
One example you gave that in your business, you use that skill. Fair enough.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, Nimit.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Siddesh.
Okay, so I was saying that one of my biggest strengths is that I help a lot of people.
Okay.
So, and I'm also a cyclist. So during lockdown, me and my cyclist friends started a new thing called Relief Riders. We partnered with a lot of medical shops in Mumbai. So, and we used to give home deliveries on cycle. So we started helping a lot of people over there. And another thing that I do is whenever I have a vehicle and I'm riding alone, I would stop at all the bus stops and I would ask someone that if you have to go somewhere, then I will help you to go there. So I do this a lot. And for recently I helped a lot of my classmates to find a new flat in Mumbai and help them to get settled down.
Okay.
And yeah, one more strength I have is that I love to interact more personally. I love to talk about their life. I love to talk about their experiences. I want to know how they would react to a lot of situations. So this also helps me to have a better understanding about myself and also get a lot of perspective over their other situations. So subconsciously, I make a lot of better decisions in future.
Okay.
These are the two things that I like to do.
Okay, beautiful. You said that I like to interact with people, communicate with them, know about them, and also help them.
Yes.
Yes, Siddesh. I think that was well put. Okay. But with you also, Siddesh, I think you have only 4 sessions you've attended till.
Yes, ma'am. In past session, I talked about this that I was going under an appointment with a doctor. So I have every Wednesday I have these appointments. I'm also going to an eye surgery, so that's why.
Okay. Now is everything fine?
Yeah. I just have allergies in my eyes, so it's just medicines. Yes.
Okay. Fine. So you know what, I see some people whose attendance is really good. Like for example, Gitansh, he has been always present, and even when today he has a challenge, he would write to me. Himanshu has also been present. Is Gamini here?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay. So Gamini, but you told me last time you had a reason. Abhinash hai kya?
Yes, ma'am.
Abhinash, kabhi itna bura nahi hai, but still I would want a better attendance from you, Abhinash. Aditya, is Aditya there? No. Akriti has very good attendance. Anuj has good attendance. Bhairavi has good attendance. Cherian, are you there? Want better attendance?
Yes, ma'am.
No, you attending lately, but before आपका पहले का थोड़ा problem है. Gaurav has.
Yes, ma'am. I understand.
Harsh has been very good in attendance. Jishan also has been good enough. Kinnari is good. Matthew has been good enough. Megha has very good attendance. Megha would like to hear you more in class, huh? Though you're there all the time, your attendance is very good.
Yes, ma'am, surely.
Isha has 100% attendance, which is awesome. Pallav has good attendance. Prabhameet has good attendance. Only one absent till now, Prabhameet, which is very good. Pranali Bhalgat, right? You also have to write to me. आपका भी एक ही attendance out of 13. 13 में से सिर्फ 12 absent. Prarthana has amazing attendance. I'll just spend 5 minutes for this because I really need to know who is in class and not. Rajiv has good attendance. Rajvi, I already spoke to you. Rutuja, you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Your attendance is not bad, but I would want better from you.
Yes, ma'am. Sure, ma'am.
Saksham is also in very good space. Only one absent till now. Samarth, do we have Samarth in class? No. Saili has full attendance, which is very heartwarming for me to see. Shivam has good enough attendance. Siddesh, Sushant has 100% attendance. Tanya is not there. Ujjwal, we already spoke. Vihang has 100% attendance. Virendra has very good attendance. Apurva has very good attendance. Apurva, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Asta, you may want to check. Aapka attendance can be better.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine, good attendance. Rishabh, are you there? Shivang?
Yes, ma'am. I'm here.
Your attendance also can be better. Well, it is not bad as such. Abhijit? I would want better attendance of you. Abhijit, only 4 out of 13. Is Abhijit there? Yesha?
Yes, ma'am.
Yours is fine enough. Akhil is fine enough. Prateek
Yes, ma'am.
is also fine. Akanksha is fine. Deepika बीच में थोड़ा ज़्यादा absent हो गया है, तो overall इतना खराब नहीं है आपका. Deepika, but I would want to see you more in class, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Dharmit has 100% attendance. Dharmit, are you there? Okay, Alok has good attendance. Dhanashri has fine attendance. So Dhanshu, yours is not bad, but yes, बीच में थोड़ा absent हुआ है. Please अभी से
Because
absent.
actually, ma'am, I had placement team work now. That's why I couldn't work. I just finished 4 lectures.
Because all these activities should not take away your session time.
Okay.
Anshika has good attendance. Anubhav, your attendance can
Yes,
be,
ma'am.
so it is not bad, it is fair enough, but can be better. Sakshi,
Yes, ma'am.
he also can be made a little better, yeah, but not bad with it. So yes, there are a few people jinka attendance is a challenge, and I don't want to give anybody 0. That is the reason why I am doing this, because 0 में तभी रखना चाहूंगी जब कोई drop out है, या is not attending sessions at all. Otherwise, I don't want to put 0. But then if this kind of attendance, I really have to put 0 for some people. If I don't see your attendance, at least half of what your total sessions have been. Anyway. Okay, so anybody now left? Anybody left now? What's what? No, right? Okay, so I'm closing that. We have now 48 names there. Okay. Okay. Next, we want to do an activity. Before that, I'm going to explain you some concept, and then I'm going to divide you into groups, and you're going to do that activity in groups, and everybody be on camera. Be on camera, please. Don't go off camera. ये सब्जेक्ट में कैमरा के भी मार्क्स है. कैमरा पे नहीं होने के लिए you will lose marks. So see, once in a while we have internet connectivity का challenge, which is understandable. But now we know from almost a year, more than a year, कि अभी इंटरनेट पे काफी काम होता है. हमारा इंटरव्यू भी इंटरनेट पे हो रहा है, हमारा पढ़ाई भी इंटरनेट पे हो रहा है. So check out for options where you can get better connectivity, because this is going to be part and parcel of our life now. So whether it is work, people are working from home. these days. So वो तो रहेगा या भी important. तो you अभी ऐसा मत सोचो कि हाँ हर बार कितनी बार हम यही एक्सक्यूज देते रहेंगे कि इंटरनेट नहीं चल रहा है, इंटरनेट नहीं. So once in a while होना चाहिए इंटरनेट. बार बार अगर इंटरनेट का चैलेंज आता है, then find some alternatives. So I'm going to explain you a concept first. And everybody be here and stay on camera. Don't go off camera. Now remember we talked about one important thing. One of the topics in debate was whether you should listen to your heart or whether you should listen to what your mind says, correct? So that point came in. वहाँ से connected very important point is like, so I said, I told you that there is no heart and mind as such. It's actually all in the mind. What you feel and how you are and what your personality is an output of what you think. So basically there are three layers here, okay? Very outermost layer of anybody's personality is behavior. Behavior could be, say, I avoid to go dark in any dark places. I avoid darkness. I just cannot. I have made this as a part and parcel of my personality. So I am known as somebody who would not enter any area which is dark, not even in my own house. Suppose that is my behavior. This behavior is because of, there is another layer within, because of some emotion that I feel. What would be an emotion here? What would be the emotion here?
Fear could be.
Fear.
Scared of dark.
Fear of the scared of darkness, right? That fear is the emotion that I'm feeling. And so basically there are three layers. Behavior is a very outermost layer. Second layer is emotion, and below that actually is your thoughts or your beliefs. Beliefs are perceptions. They're not facts. It's my perception of something. So what would be my thought here? That darkness is evil or bad. I have picked this thing from somewhere. Darkness is equal to evil or bad. It is something which is dangerous. That is something that I've picked up. I may not tell myself all the times when I face an area where it is dark and I avoid it. ऊपर से मेरा बिहेवियर ही दिखेगा. हमेशा मैं उस प्रोसेस के थ्रू नहीं जाऊंगी कि हाँ मैं सोचूंगी हाँ ये डेंजरस है, फिर मैं फियर फील करूंगी. डायरेक्टली बिहेवियर ही आता है. It's all mixed. So you do feel that fear inside you, and actually what is that word? It is that thought. It is that belief of yours that darkness is bad. Okay, you can have another person who was brought up in a different way, and that person has been taught to go into dark places now and then. Will that person avoid darkness? That person will very आराम से चला जाएगा वो darkness में. Definitely will enter any area which is dark without any hesitation. Right? So darkness as such is not bad or good. It is my perception of darkness that makes me behave in a particular way. At the end of the day, it is my thoughts or my beliefs which actually make me do certain things. Another example of it would be, say somebody feeling very nauseatic, very anxious before any presentation or any public speaking event or something, feeling that nauseatic and that anxiety. So much so that it kind of freezes your mind. That whatever you know, you're not even able to speak that properly. That also happens sometimes. If that is my behavior, again, what is the emotion below it? The emotion could be fear. Fear of what? In that case, for example, say my stage fear. What can be the emotion here?
Anxiety.
Of what? What I'm thinking. What
Anxiety of maybe people judging him because
humiliation.
Perform well.
Humiliation, yes. People will judge me. People will think I am bad.
Level of confidence.
Lack of confidence. That yes, I may not be. I may make mistake. Yeah. So the fear is what, and fear is stemming from which point, which are the thoughts that okay, people. So you are saying that people will judge me, and all that's are inferences. Will judge me. I will make mistakes. Okay, these are all inferences. But basically, what is the underlying thought that you have? That I must never make mistake. I must never make mistakes because I am not allowing myself to make mistakes. There is a thought, there is a belief that making mistakes is bad. That is why I am avoiding this, no? That because I don't want a situation where I make mistakes. Second could be I must be liked by everybody all the times. If I am making a presentation and people will judge me, why it is bothering me? Because I have a belief that I must always be liked by people. If I don't have that belief, then it will not bother me. I am talking in terms of absolutes, that I must be liked by everybody all the times. I must never make mistake, maybe meaning I want everything to be perfect all the times. Right. So what are these? These are the beliefs. If these beliefs become a little flexible, instead of say I must be liked by everybody, instead if I say I prefer that people like me. That is my preference. But it is okay if they don't. Instead of having this must in my head, कि भाई सबको मुझे पसंद करना ही है, सब मुझे पसंद करने ही चाहिए. Instead of that, if I say it is preferable, I want that everybody should like me, but it is okay if they don't like, if some of them do not like. I want to be making a very perfect presentation, but even if I make a mistake, it is okay. I prefer to make a very error-free presentation, but even if I make a mistake, then also it is okay. ये दोनों में difference है ना? जो एक्सट्रीम फियर या एक्सट्रीम एंजाइटी कहाँ से आती है? क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं हमने मस्ट वाला बिलीफ बना के रखा है, दैट एब्सोल्यूट ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट वाला बिलीफ.
Yeah, like we put an ultimatum on ourselves.
Yeah, you put a kind of an undue pressure on yourself.
Yes.
That it must always be like this. That must is a problem. अगर must नहीं है, nobody is saying कि आपको approval नहीं मिलना चाहिए. Approval is good, but approval नीड नहीं है लाइफ में. मस्ट कब आता है? जब यू नीड, लाइक आई मस्ट ब्रीद ऑक्सीजन टू लिव, आई मस्ट ईट फूड टू लिव, आई मस्ट ड्रिंक वाटर. ये मेरे नीड्स है. आई विल डाई इफ आई डोंट टेक दिस. वो मस्ट है. बट इज इट अ मस्ट दैट आई मस्ट गेट अप्रूवल, देन ओनली आई एग्जिस्ट? इट इज नॉट अ मस्ट. आई कैन स्टिल एग्जिस्ट, आई कैन स्टिल लिव विदाउट अप्रूवल, without doing the best work. That acceptance of yourself is what is a difficult thing when you have that must wala belief. Is this point clear? Because yahan tak understanding hua hai, then I can build up on the further stuff. Can anybody give me some examples? Must wala belief and not must wala belief. Any must wala belief that we normally put on ourselves that puts us in undue puts undue pressure on us. Anybody? Can you reword and tell me so that I understand that you've understood till now? Any of you? Prateek, and I'll ask more questions to those people who camera pe nahi hai. Prateek, Jishan.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, what did I just say? अभी मैंने क्या explain किया था?
Just a second.
Yes, anybody else? Yeah. What did I just explain, Apurva?
Ma'am, can you repeat again?
Sorry?
Ma'am, sorry, can you repeat that again?
Okay, anybody who remembers that? Kamini, what was I talking about?
Ma'am, we were talking. Oh, sorry.
Yes.
Yes, Kamini, ma'am.
It's okay, Gaurav, you can go ahead.
No problem. Gamini, you tell me, then Gaurav will add. What was your understanding? What did I just speak about?
Ma'am, I didn't get a clear connectivity, but
Whatever,
you were talking
whatever you got it, you can just tell me. You may have got one thing. What do you remember? What you were talking about?
that there are certain fears that come in and they take over our actions, the way we behave and react. So we should get over it.
We should get over it in
Matlab, in the similar sense. I think Gaurav can add to it better.
Ma'am,
Yes, Deepika?
yes, ma'am, you were talking about the behavior that are ultimate derived from the emotions, and emotions are derived from our beliefs, and beliefs are basically the must be thought, mandatory thought that comes to our mind, that I must look, even when I'm just take a simpler example, when I'm going to a party or visiting a place just like a 5-star hotel or 7 or 8-star hotel. So there will be an ultimate pressure on me that I must look good or I must behave in a professional way. So, but in this, my preference could be that I should look good even if I'm not looking a way better than other people, but still I'm looking good is the preference here.
Yes. Okay. Thank you, Deepika. So yes, basically that is what I was talking about, that whatever behaviors, whatever we behave, I'm not talking about only behavior that I don't like about myself. Even certain behaviors, like you all have talked about your strengths, isn't it? You've talked about your strengths, that I am somebody who likes to help others, like what Siddesh was talking about. So he likes to help others. That is a behavioral trait he exhibits. So what is that behavior coming out of from? It's coming out from compassion, coming out from a basic kindness that he has. He has respect for other people and he wants to help others. What is the thought behind it? The thought behind it probably is something like, this is an interdependent world and we all are dependent on each other, and it will only function well if we help each other. If I help others, others will help me. Siddesh, you would like to add anything? What is the thought process you think is behind your this strength?
Okay, so I started doing this after when I went to Amritsar Golden Temple. If you ever been to a Gurudwara, there are a lot of, they are just volunteers. They only come to do seva. They are not called, they are not getting paid. They are doing all by their will.
Volunteering.
Yeah. So in Amritsar, I talked to them. One of the guy who was doing all the seva, who was cleaning the place, he was like, "Khushi milti hai ye sab karne se." He said these words to me. So after that, I started doing all this.
Right. So you do feel that, you do believe that when you do this thing, it gives you happiness.
Yes. Yes.
So this is what you feel, what you think. No, that thought is the root cause. कि भाई ये thought जो है आपका सोच है कि when I will help others,
Yes.
feel good.
Yes. Seva. हाँ.
Attitude, that seva का जो feeling है, that attitude है आपका, that makes you do that work. So it's all in your thinking. The root cause is what he thinks. He thinks that this is what gives happiness, or it multiplies happiness, or spreads love or compassion. Right. Somebody said, like I think Rajvi said, that I have good, what did you say? Somebody said communication skills, right? Who was that? You can communicate well. Or any strength, anybody? Cherian, can you tell me about one of your strengths? You already must have spoken about, but can you repeat?
Ma'am, even yes, yeah, I'm also good in helping others. Okay, like not copying, taking one of the same opinion, but yes, I do help people. And then for me, it was, I don't have a perfect reason as to why or when I started doing it, I just like doing it because I mean, science rule is whatever, like there's an opposite reaction for everything for one action, right? So whatever you do, you'll get feedback. Like whenever you expect something of the least, you can also get the same thing back from someone, or it doesn't have to be just one person, but whoever you have helped also can do it, or someone you probably never met in your life also. It depends on all the deeds you have done.
Yeah.
And then, yeah, and apart from that, yes, I keep smiling. One of the other strengths, yes.
Yeah. So that's one very important thing you said, like that he believes in this universe ka law. Action and reaction are equal and opposite, something like that. That what you give is what you get, right? So he believes that is why he wants to do good to others and spread that happiness and that energy, because he thinks that is how this entire universe is supposed to function. Yeah, that is your thought process behind it. Now, instead of this, if there is somebody who thinks, okay, the world must revolve around me, and the world in this world everybody is getting what they want, और मुझे नहीं मिलता है जो मुझे चाहिए. अगर कोई ऐसा सोचेगा, so will they be able to do the same behavior? No, they will be the one who will pick up fights all the time and be frustrated. Right. So in both the cases, what is the difference? It is the thought it starts with. The thought that you have developed is what is responsible for whatever behavior we do. And sometimes we have picked up our good behaviors, we call them our strengths. Okay. And sometimes we pick up some behaviors or we do certain things which we do not like. So where does it come from? It comes from some different types of thoughts. Why I'm talking about it? Because many times people often think that when their behaviors define them. So there is somebody who kind of makes a general statement that, you know what, I have this tendency, I get fearful before any public appearance or so, and I always get this butterflies in my stomach, and I'm like this. I have stage fear. Now, when you give this with this absolute statement, then what happens? Then you consider this is a part and parcel of you, and it is something which is ingrained in you and it cannot be changed. Whereas if you think that no, this is just because my thought, I think approval is important and compulsory. That is why I am feeling these butterflies in my stomach. If I change my thought, then maybe I will have better acceptance of the idea that yes, there are people who will like me or may not like me. So I will have better acceptance of that idea. If I have better acceptance, then I will not get those kind of butterflies or fear in my stomach. I will not feel the butterflies in my stomach, in my gut. Right. So basically the idea is that these thoughts which have become a part of you during your upbringing, your growth, define your personality. If you want to, if you kind of do a little bit more introspection and think about all of these things, that okay, what are the thoughts that help me get this good behaviors? And what are the thoughts that make me do this unpleasant behaviors? I don't like these behaviors. If you do that analysis, then you can identify those thoughts which are not helping you and you can change them. Is it going to happen overnight? No, it's not going to change overnight. But somebody who has stage fear, if the thought is coming from I must always get approval, then that person can plan an intervention for himself or herself, that they work on themselves for a good amount of time and they try to change this thought. And it is not a must to get approval all the time. Approval is preferable instead. But if I don't get, it is okay. So if this difference is done, then the behavior of a person will change. Yeah. Apurva, is it making sense now, or should I repeat further?
No, ma'am, I got it.
Yeah, so because the activity that I'm going to give you all next is based on this. So please everybody understand it well. What I'm saying is it is all your behaviors or all behaviors that people have. It may not be just individually yourself. But in general, what behaviors people exhibit are always an output of what thoughts they have. And what are the thoughts? How is our thought system, belief system, how it is shaped? How is our belief system shaped?
Something we perceive from our parents or something from our friends.
One could be from people who are taking care of us, the guardians, yes, parents, friends.
Friends being
Ma'am, it's also because of the various situations you've been, you learn better outcomes.
Experience.
Like how you
Past experiences.
And sometimes we perceive the don'ts. We see people doing wrong and we know that we don't have to do it in our lives.
Yes, from experience.
Surround with good people.
Also by observations, we can say this.
Observation, yes. We
If
observe.
this happened with someone, then it could be happen with me also.
Yes, yes.
That-
Rajiv.
Also the environment.
Ma'am, surround with the good people.
Sorry?
Surround by with good people. Am I audible?
Come again.
Ma'am, surround by with good people.
Good people, हाँ. So I'm not saying good or what you should do. I'm asking कि कैसे किसी का thought process बनता है, good or bad दोनों मिला के. How does it, where does it come from? So from the surroundings, whosoever is around you, if there are people behaving in a particular way around you, आप वहाँ से pick up करते हो.
Ma'am, also education plays very important role.
It's an important role, yes. Vidhi, you were also trying to add something?
Yes, ma'am. The environment we live in actually.
The environment we live in, yes. And basically the environment we live in, yes. Whether it is at home, whether it is in school, when a child, so I'm talking about upbringing of a child. When a child का upbringing होता है, उसके दौरान, what are the things that they are surround them?
Peer groups. Peer groups. Peer groups.
Yes, peer groups will be one important aspect.
Ma'am, due to the situations that are happen in the young days, बचपन में कोई ऐसी घटनाएं हो जाती हैं जिसके कारण वो सदमा हम कभी नहीं भूल पाते.
That also happens. That's something that happens in the early days of your life. That can become an important part of shaping your personality. True. Right. So ये इतने सारे reasons है. But यहाँ से from this, I would want to derive one thing. But before that, one thing I am putting into chat. I am putting two terms: irrational beliefs versus rational beliefs. So whatever beliefs we pick up, they can be basically divided into two types. Irrational beliefs normally unpleasant behavior लेके आता है, and rational belief is something which brings in helpful behavior. So what is irrational? When I said no, I must get everybody's approval. That is my irrational belief. So IBs are always the ones which come with that must. And what are rational beliefs? Rational beliefs are not positive. Don't confuse this with positiveness. Rational is not positive. Rational is not also emotionless. Rational means it is reasonable.
Logic.
Supported by logic, yes. Supported by logic. Reasonable in emotion and supported by logic. Emotions, see, when I say, okay, should I have some stress before presentation? I'm feeling some stress because I'm presenting in front of 400 people, and I'm going to get admission after this, or I'm going to get a job after this. I'm participating in an interview. So वहाँ पे मुझे stress होना चाहिए क्या? तो it would be too bad. It would be too wrong if I say नहीं आप stress मत करो, positive attitude रखो, चले जाओ. That is again very illogical. Stress होना है. It's not that stress नहीं लेना है हमें, but stress की जो intensity है, when I am putting that must on myself, that I must perform very well in this interview, I must not make any mistake in this interview, then all the problem starts. Because there I am thinking, I am going into my, when I use must, I go into the fight and flight mode. You understand what is fight and flight mode? I think I've spoken about it earlier. Anybody remembers? Fight and flight mode is like activation of your survival wala brain. Your survival brain is supposed to keep you safe from any kind of attack. So कुछ भी होता है, कुछ emergency आती है. So वहाँ पे what is the basically reflex action अपना क्या करता है? Either I fight the danger with lot of aggression कि यार ये जान पे बनाई है, मुझे अपनी जान तो बचानी है. And second is flight. Flight means it is such a dangerous situation, I must run away from it. ये extreme situation में होगा, correct? होना चाहिए कब? Extreme में होना चाहिए. But when you have an irrational belief, which is a must, that I must perform very good in this presentation. I must perform very well in this presentation. It is actually in a way telling your brain that, you know, this is a need. अगर ये नहीं हुआ तो जान पे बनाएगी. So आपका brain वो pick up कर रहा है बात उधर से. आपका brain क्या समझ रहा है? हाँ, ये presentation में अगर मैंने perform नहीं किया ना, मतलब fight and flight करो. Fight and flight brain जब activate होता है आपका, means your conscious mind gets shut down. जो logical brain है ना, वो बंद हो जाता है. क्योंकि उस वक्त बोलता है कि यार अभी जान पे बनी है, अभी भागना है, फाइट करना है, अभी लॉजिक नहीं चाहिए. So at that time your conscious mind gets shut down, your reptile brain or your survival brain becomes activated, और वो आपको fight और flight mode में डाल देता है. So when your presentation के before वाला जो situation है, उसमें आप flight और fight mode में हो, तो somebody may feel so overwhelmed कि वो भाग जाएगा कि नहीं करना है मुझे presentation. Somebody will feel so overwhelmed कि वो बट aggressive हो जाएगा. Aggression में क्या हो जाएगा? उसका दिमाग problem solving, इसका mindfulness is not there. Mindfulness is not there, so he cannot concentrate on what is there and he has to speak. Then he will fumble, he will make all the more mistake, he will forget stuff, he will go blank in his mind. ये सब क्या है? ये logical mind shut down होने के signs है. Fight or flight mode है. जब आप blank हो जाते हो. When you can't rationally think, वो कब होता है? जब fight and flight mode activate होता है. और when you have beliefs which are must, like जब मुझे, of course, when I feel that okay, if I don't get oxygen, I must breathe oxygen to live. So when I don't get oxygen, I definitely should go into fight and flight mode, because I should ensure कि मुझे oxygen मिले, because that is a need. That is really a need. So I should leave aside everything else. And I should say, okay, I must ensure कि मुझे ऑक्सीजन मिले, मुझे यहाँ से suffocation वाले environment में से बाहर आना है, and I want to get oxygen for myself. That is a very very appropriate behavior, because वो ऑक्सीजन चला गया है, पर यहाँ पे तो ऑक्सीजन नहीं गया. ये जबरदस्ती का fake belief है that I must make a very good presentation or else it is a threat to my life. ये must जब आ जाता है तो वो belief आ जाती है. हमने जबरदस्ती वो कहीं से pick up कर लिया है. Are you getting my point? That वो एक must कहीं पे act कर रहा है कि I must always be perfect. Now tell you how does it come from also. We don't have time before break, so break के बाद we will continue on that in detail, because an activity I want to do with you based on this understanding only. So this should be very clear to you. But till now what I have said, does it make sense?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So basically there is a concept of IBs and RBs. That is what I think I am ending here. उसके बाद we will further talk on it. But there is a concept of IBs and RBs. और मेरे जो beliefs है, जो मेरे RBs होंगे, that will help me develop my strengths. So all of us are a mix of both. हम सब में थोड़े RBs है, थोड़े से IBs रहते हैं. So जो RBs है, rational beliefs that are making me do certain things in a good way. But there are certain IBs also in me, in my head, that is making me do things like, you know, something like the stage fear or whatever, avoiding darkness. There could be, you know, people, right, जिनको इसका fear होता है, height का fear होता है, flying का fear होता है. What does that come from? Something similar. Darkness, आप देखो कि इतने बड़े बड़े एज के लोग होते हैं, पर वो darkness से डरते अभी भी आज की डेट में. क्यों? Because somewhere the subconscious mind has developed this IB, irrational belief. Some people, when they driving सीखते और कुछ incident हो गया, then they pick up from there that okay, I will never be able to, never वाला must वाला जो beliefs है ना, I will never be able to learn driving. It is not made for me. Now that person, if doesn't have this belief, can definitely learn again. But वो नहीं करेगा, वो अपने आप को ही प्रूफ करेगा, वो सेल्फ फुलफिलिंग प्रोफेसी बन जाती है. फिर आई से ओके, ये मैं नहीं कर सकता हूँ, जबकि मैं नहीं कर सकता हूँ ऐसा नहीं है, लेकिन मैंने जो सोच लिया ऐसा कि मैं नहीं कर सकता हूँ, इसीलिए मैं कभी नहीं कर पाऊंगा. बिकॉज आई विल बिकम माई ओन एनिमी. आई विल नॉट लेट माई सेल्फ लर्न, बिकॉज मुझे वो सेल्फ फुलफिलिंग प्रोफेसी को ट्रू बनाना है. कि मैंने डिसाइड कर दिया ना that I will never learn driving, तो वो डिसीजन को पकड़ने के लिए मैं कभी लर्न नहीं करूंगी. अगर मैंने वो डिसीजन नहीं लिया, I would be able to learn driving even after that incident. So it's all in your head, in your mind. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
IBs and RBs are clear till now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Upon that, we want to do an exercise in group also based on this. So we'll come back at 3:30 p.m. And first of all, if you have any doubts, you can ask me about this, and then I'll build a small thing on it, and then I'll divide you into groups for the activity. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, fine. So I'll end the meeting now. See you at 3:30.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.